Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your love energies, it's going to be like a pick a card, guys. So the daily energy will follow this reading. So this is the first pile and this is the second pile. Whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch that reading, guys. So we'll start with this pile first. I'll keep this card aside. So I'll be picking three cards for your love energy, guys. Page of Pentacles in reverse, the Sun in reverse, Two of Swords. So with these cards, guys, for your love energies, you have confidence in your situation, like whatever is that situation, you have clarity in your mind, confidence to take up anything successfully. Maybe in this relationship you are making efforts and you have that trust on this person, confidence on them, and you see clarity in your situation, in this connection. You both share a great understanding, guys. Though this card is in reverse, it is a very positive card. So it just denotes that you have understanding and compatibility and affection in this relationship. That is what I see. And also for some of you, you are making some important decisions today. Maybe some difficult choices you need to make today, but you are unable to do that because you feel that it may hurt this person in some way, and you are not able to find that choice, whatever will not affect, neither affect you nor that other person in this connection. So you are not able to find that right choice, so you are some way stressed in something. That is what I see here with these cards, guys. And maybe for some of you in this connection, you may be getting some important news today, guys. Maybe this person is coming with some important news to tell you, or you may want to tell them something important. For some of you, um it may not be something good, it may be something stressful. And also I see here that you may be spending on gifts, or they may be spending on gifts. They may want to come with gifts, visit you. That is also the energy with these cards, guys. So that is all I see for your love energy, guys. So maybe there are some stressful things you need to discuss, or some decisions you need to make, but overall I see here that you share a great understanding, and love and affection is there in this connection, guys. Let us see what are the cards with the other deck. So we will keep these cards aside. So what's coming for this deck, for those who have chosen this deck? We'll be picking three cards again. Fish, tree, man. With these cards, guys, I see here that in this relationship, this person you are with, they are working towards what to say, making great efforts to be in this connection, and they are open to romance. They want this commitment with you, and they want this connection to be to go further with that commitment, engagement, or marriage. And if you are single, and if you are looking for a new person, or if you are interested in someone new, this card also denotes that they are also interested in you, and they are also open to this relationship and commitment, guys. They want um, to come towards this connection, and they are also interested in you, and they are also open for a relationship, to begin a relationship. And also I see here that this connection, it may be a twin flame soulmate connection here, guys. You have that deep bond and deep connection with that other person. The level of understanding is so deep, it may denote a twin flame soulmate connection. That is what I see with these cards. And in this relationship, you are stabilizing, trying to create that stability, structure, and security in your relationship. Maybe the way you are in this connection, the way you connect with this person, the efforts you are making, you are trying to deepen your relationship, or this person, they are trying to deepen this relationship. And in your relationship, or it may even be in your personal life, you are doing something in excess, guys. Some kind of repetitive behavior, maybe. So you need to keep a check on that. If it is something good, maybe something health oriented habits, maybe some detox diet or something like that, you can go for it. But if it is some kind of habits like drinking, smoking, you need to go for moderation. And I also see here that you are getting great opportunities to make this relationship into a long, committed, and deep, passionate relationship, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, and that is all I see for your love reading today. So stay tuned for your daily energy, guys. That is coming up right now.
Love you all, Gemini. Hope you're having a lovely day. And this is your daily reading for today. Let's see what are your 3 cards. This is your first card. This is your second card. And this is your third card. Let's open your first card, and it shows Page of Wands. Gemini, you're creative and passionate. You're witty and charismatic and outspoken with philosophy. Action is what is important. And let's see your second card, and it shows Knight of Pentacle, Gemini. Gemini, you know exactly what you want and where your destination is. And you're moving steadily towards your goal. And when you reach that goal, you strike with all the force of the earth that is to summon. And that's your Knight of Pentacles for you, Gemini. And let's see what is the third card for you. This shows the Sun. Gemini, enlightenment and understanding, glory, achieving prominence, the constant renewal of life, of vitality, and of being filled with radiant joy, energy, invigoration, and good health. Being full of assurance and confidence, a clarity of vision, and purpose lit by the clear daylight. And that's your reading for you, Gemini. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Have a lovely day. Bye, guys. Love you all.